the third from Brandon's World. I wanted to go to the beach for my birthday. My parents said yes. Today's my 8th birthday! Today's my 8th birthday! I'm at the beach making a sandcastle, making my own sand.
Alright.
I'm at the beach playing with sand.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lito. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Dr. Earl from Brandon's World, and today my son turned 8 years old. He decided he wanted to come to the beach, and guess what? We're at the beach. Jaleesa, you having fun, my love? Yeah. Say hi. All right, Rossi. So, Grandma has a gift for you. Think you want to leave anytime soon?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we'll leave whenever you decide you want to leave. But we're having a good time out here. Nice, sunny, South Florida. Check out this glow. Sunshine.
We are out here enjoying the nature, celebrating my Sophie's birthday. Princess was sick, but the sea salt from the earth has killed her. She was 6 years.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Earl III, also known as Prince Midas, asked me to bring the drone to the beach, so I had to oblige.
Check out my dad's pool footage, rooftop pool, and the ocean view. He also captured a plane. Tennis on the rooftop.
His birthday always falls on Memorial Day weekend, but we couldn't take him to South Beach because it is too raunchy. So here we are at Hallandale Beach, a more family-oriented beach if you ask me.
I'm having so much fun. Let's go swimming. Boy, am I enjoying the beach. There goes our cool drone.
Team Brandage, blast off! Brandage, what say what? Brandage, what? Brandage, what say what? Brandage, what?
Go ahead, swimming in the ocean. Yeah. Okay, after this wave, go. Big wave! Big wave! Get up! Another big wave! You touch my back? No.
There's nothing like spending time with your family. Can we go to Off the Wall, please?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Are you excited?
Carlito was getting his wristband. Almost time to jump, ladies and gentlemen. And go to the arcade. We're off the wall in JB, Florida. Carlito, are you excited, handsome? Yeah! Alright. Carlito, you ready, my love? You ready? Alright. Before they go on the trampoline, they have to put on their non-slip socks. And they're off to the races. Earl and Jaleesa are heading to the toddler section of the trampoline. After a few minutes here, they were ready to move over to the section for the older kids. Go, Erlito, go! Go, Erlito, go! It looked like he's sizing up the competition and about to jump down. Will he fall? Nope. He stuck it like a champ. Joust anyone? I told Erlito to take it easy on Jaleesa. Well, it didn't take much. Round 2. Fight! This time, I asked Erlito to let Jaleesa knock him down. It didn't work.
Oh no!
Jaleesa saw another gymnast flipping, so she decided to join in. How high can she run up the wall? How high? How high? Oh! Can Earl go up any higher? Go, 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 go! I hope he doesn't fall. Erlito just fell down, just fell down, just fell down. Erlito just fell down. Happy birthday. There you go, Jaleesa with another front flip. Another one. We figured out a way for the kids to have fun and also go to bed at night. Off the wall. Erlito looked back to see if the young lady was going to race him. He's so competitive like his dad. Jaleesa is working on her bridge. Jaleesa was brave enough to jump. Yeah! Here off the wall, you pay to jump by the hour. At this point, the kids were getting tired and exhausted and needed a water break. This is the look of excitement and fatigue. After all that jumping, the kids were starving, so we ordered them some pizza. After they ate, it was time to go hit the arcade. Come on! As you can see, the kid in me came right out. Jaleesa wanted to score some points, so I took over for her. As you can see, I take air hockey extremely serious. I don't play. Here's a little trick shot I learned growing up.
Thank you for watching my birthday celebration. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.